Okay friends, let's begin with unboxing of this lens. So I got it from Amazon, got a good discount in the Great Indian Sale. Let's see, it was delivered almost in a day. So okay, the box is good, reads SIGNI with a SKYVIK logo, my pocket DSLR, cool, a hashtag SKYVIK SIGNI. Okay, and the details here. Okay, one lens, one universal clip, one carrying case, one pouch, one cleaning cloth. Lovely. Let's go further. Okay, this is a good box. SIGNI. Okay, so you like it? Thumbs up. Thank you. SKYVIK SIGNI, beam, true hold. Okay, they have a good product range. Cool. Not throwing it away. So here it is. It was just lying around. Okay. Whoa, it has got some weight. Cool. How does this open? Oh, okay. Okay, so you have an option of clip and a clip and a clip. Okay, let's see if it works with the phone. Okay, doesn't go in with the case, but this would work. Cool. Cool. So this is it. Thank you. Okay, well, there is an update. So it goes in, right, with the cases as well. I mean, I just did not unscrew this, so it fits. I'm sure it will work also. I think so, it looks like working. Well, that's for the next video.